Beautiful day in Kiwa Valley near Dedarang. I can never pronounce it. Dedarang. So we've got this awesome custom gate on my mate Rambo's property. Rambo is more than just a mate, he's a business partner. He is an installer down here in the Kiwa Valley, and he is reselling Jimmy wheels. And on a beautiful day, we've actually sold two just out in Western Victoria today, so congrats to us. But anyway, Rambo, make that gate shut, please, mate. Rambo's punching in on his new keypad, his code. I'm not going to share that with you at the moment. And look at that beautiful Jimmy wheel. Push and shut that gate. Magic. Awesome. So if you hate opening gates, like Rambo and myself and a great many other people, get in touch. Buy one of these awesome products and you'll never have to get out of the car again to open or close your gate. Thank you.